Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record calls on Gohighlevel in 2025. Recording calls is super important because it helps us improve the services we offer to clients. Whether it's customer service, appointment setting, or any other area, listening to specific calls allow us to pinpoint where we need to improve in our training. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your settings and look for phone numbers. Once you're in the page, scroll down until you find the number you want to record. Don't worry about any errors you might see. Just ignore that for now. Click on Edit Configuration, then tap the three dots and select Call Recording. Now simply check the box to active call recording and hit Save. You're all set. Let's test it out. I'll dial a number real quick, and there we go. As you can see, there's an indicator showing that the call is being recorded. Easy, right? And that is it. That's how you record a call on Gohighlevel. If you want to try Gohighlevel for yourself, I've got a link in the description below. Using our link will get you some extra bonuses and help support the channel. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.